Look at these results. You think they got them with the wrong affiliate strategy? Let me tell you, my friend, you're wrong. If you're struggling to make affiliate sales, chances are you're making at least one of these deadly mistakes, and it's killing your earnings. But don't worry, because today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix them and start making real money with affiliate marketing. And to make things even easier, I've put together a special file that breaks down how to fix all these mistakes. Check the link in the description. So if you're serious about boosting your commissions, keep watching. Let's dive right in with the first mistake. And trust me, most beginners fall into this trap. 1. Promoting too many products. If you're promoting 10 different products at once, you're confusing your audience and diluting your credibility. People don't know what to trust. Instead, focus on one high-quality product that solves a specific problem. Build trust first, and then you can introduce more offers later. Example, imagine 2 affiliate marketers. One is promoting just one product. He builds content around it, shows proof, and explains why it works. The other is spamming 5 different links in every post. Who do you think makes more sales? Exactly, the one who builds trust. 2. Not building an email list. 98% of visitors won't buy on the first click. If you're just dropping affiliate links with no way to follow up, you're leaving a ton of money on the table. Create a simple email funnel using a free lead magnet like an ebook or checklist. Capture their email, provide value, and then recommend your affiliate products. Drop a yes in the comments if you're already using email marketing. 3. Choosing low-quality or low-paying products. Would you rather sell 100 products to make $100? Or just one product to make $100? Too many affiliates go for cheap, low-commission products instead of high-ticket offers that pay big. Choose high-quality, high-commission products, especially those that offer recurring commissions so you get paid every month. Example, let's say you promote a $20 product with a 5% commission. You make $1 per sale, so you need 1,000 sales to make $1,000. But if you promote a $500 product with a 40% commission, you make $200 per sale. Just 5 sales gets you the same $1,000. Work smarter, not harder. Are you promoting high-ticket or low-ticket products? Let me know below. For ignoring SEO and free traffic. If you're relying only on paid ads, you're burning money without long-term results. And if you're not using SEO, you're missing out on free, passive traffic from Google and YouTube. Use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner or TubeBuddy to find low-competition, high-traffic keywords. Optimize your blog posts, YouTube videos, and social media for long-term results. Want me to make a full tutorial on SEO for affiliate marketing? Let me know in the comments. 5. Not providing value. If all you do is spam affiliate links, nobody will buy from you. People buy from those they trust. Instead of just selling, educate and entertain your audience. Create tutorials, product comparisons, and case studies. Give value first, and the sales will follow. What's your favorite way to provide value, reviews, tutorials, or case studies? Comment below. Alright, now you know the 5 deadly mistakes that are killing your affiliate sales, and more importantly, how to fix them. Which mistake have you made before? Let's talk in the comments. And if you want more tips on growing your affiliate income, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.